In this video, we'll show you how to replace the map sensor on your Ford F-150. This is located in the engine bay and under the engine cover. Let's get started. To get to our map sensor, we need to remove the engine cover. In order to remove the engine cover, first we need to remove the oil cap. Now we can just pull up on the front, pull towards the front of the vehicle, and we can set this off to the side. And we can reinstall the oil cap. Looking towards the center portion of the intake manifold, we have our map sensor. We can remove the 7mm bolt. Give that a little wiggle. Go ahead and pull this out. On the back portion of the connector, we have a small tab. It can help to push in on the sensor while pressing on the tab, and then pull out the sensor. Make sure you check your electrical connectors for any corrosion or damage. These look good. We can plug our connector into the sensor. Make sure it's fully seated. I'm not going to pull back out. Wiggle the connector as you press it down. Make sure that gets fully seated. You can reinstall the screw. We'll snug that down. It doesn't need to be too tight as it just goes into plastic. To reinstall our engine cover, we'll remove the oil cap. There's two tabs towards the back. You can simply line the grommets up. And we'll reinstall our oil cap. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.